Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up and enabling a hotspot on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app and tap on Personal Hotspot. Switch the toggle on to the right of Allow others to join. There is a password that others will need to enter to join your hotspot. You can set it to whatever you like by tapping on it. The password must contain at least 8 characters. Tap Done when you have set the password. People can now join your hotspot as they would any other Wi-Fi network. To turn off your hotspot, tap the toggle to turn it off. When it is on, it will be green, and when off, it will be grey. Once you have set up your hotspot password, there is a shortcut you can use to turn it on and off. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to get to the control center. Then hold down on the mobile data icon or Wi-Fi icon until a menu appears. Then tap on the personal hotspot button. When it is green, it is on, and when it is grey, it is off. It will also say discoverable when it is switched on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.